nag-comment na kayo kasi yung ilang senador kahapon, si Senator Risa Ontiveros at si Senator Panfilo Lacson, sinabi nila na improper or inappropriate kung idadaan lamang sa majority vote yung impeachment kung i-dismiss. Ano pong masasabi niyo din, sir, as a lawyer na?
At ano naman kaya ang masasabi?
Well, malinaw yung sinabi ng saligang batas. To try and decide cases belongs to the Senado. And to convict is 18 votes.
Tama po kayo, 18 votes?
And less than that will be acquittal. So I think it should be the same numbers. Ano? If you want to acquit the respondent,
Tama, acquit na para wala ng gulo.
less than the required 18 votes will result into acquittal. But I haven't heard of dismissal. And the Constitution does not speak of dismissal.
Kumbaga,
Okay.
bawal ng motion to dismiss, sir.
Yes, because the Constitution speaks of hearing and trial, diba?
Pero sir,
And reception of evidence. Okay?
pero sir, sabi ni SP Cheese, there is no prohibited motion daw. Wala namang rules that says bawal mag-motion.
I totally respect the opinion of the Senate President, but ours in the House of Representatives is it should proceed trial.
Sir, sa tingin nyo rin ba pwede na rin manumpa yung mga bagong luklok na senador as senator judges as early as now since nag-umpisa na yung term nyo kahapon? Yun po yung kasi sinasabi ni Senator Ontiveros na dapat pwede na rin silang manumpa.
I'm not familiar with their rules. They are governed by their own rules and impeachment proceedings, in the impeachment proceedings. So, I cannot comment on that po. Baka magkamali ako.
Sir, your take na lang doon sa 50 pesos wage hike sa NCR ng wage boards versus doon sa proposed legislated wage hike sana?
Alam mo, di ba bago magtapos ang Kongreso, may panukalang na aprubahan dito sa House of Representatives and was transmitted to the Senate. And kung ang House of Representatives sumasang-ayon sa 200 pesos ba yun?
Yes, sir.
And sa tingin ko naman, kung sa 50 pesos, mas lalong sasang-ayon yung House of Representatives.
But something, sir, say yung barya lang po kasi yung 50 pesos ang binigay, kaya kailangan po dapat magpasa na po tayo ng batas ng konti.
Well, yeah, I totally agree na iangat natin yung kumbaga kabuhayan ng ating manggagawa, and one way of doing that is really to look into how fair and how feasible also the increase, whether 50 pesos, 100 or 200 pesos. So kung ibabalik to, i-remand to sa committee, and I think so many members of Congress have already refiled the legislated wage bill, then whatever it is, 50, 100 pesos, 200 pesos, as long as kaya, both on the side of the employer and at the same time fair also to the workers, then susuportahan po natin.
Sir, profile lang ng party list coalition for this
58 po, 58.
58 members or 58 party list groups?
63 allocated seats for the party list, but 58 are supportive of the speaker, and some intends to join the party list coalition. We are still awaiting for the others to submit their application, pero during the orientation and get together, nandun na sila, and they signified already that they belong to the party list coalition. 58.
58,
58 po.
out of the 63.
Out of the 63. Opo. Oo.